Alright, so what we need to do is just take apart this whole panel. So just start off by removing this, just like this. There are just clips over here. There's no screw or nothing. As you can see, it just comes off. Apply a bit of force and it'll just come off just like this. Don't worry, you're not breaking anything. Just like this, it comes off. Alright, and here is the cover panel, which has beneath it is the HEPA filter. Okay, in order to take this part out, there are 10 screws all across, but what I recommend is to take this whole tub out. It is pretty easy. You don't have to do it, but it removes the hassle of bending this and reaching down towards the screws. So if you take out this whole part, it is much more convenient and easy to take out all of these 10 screws. As you can see, those are all these screws. All across, just like this. These are all of these screws. And to take this whole tub out, it is quite easy because there's these 2 screws right over here. And then beneath over here, there's also the 2 screws, one over here, one over here. Unscrew that, and also a little clip right over here. And once you take it out, all of those 5 things. And then after you do that, and you just need to pop up from over here. There's clips right over here, down here, and then right there, just like this. And then after that, it just comes right out. So let's do that. Alright, now the 4 screws are out, but we're still not done yet because on the top right, we still have to take this clip out, and it comes out just like this. Unlatch all of these from the clips, and then the tub should come out. Now don't yank it out because we actually have the light connection right over here in the front. So just wiggle it out and just put it on it, and it should just come out just like this. And once it's out, then you're ready to take out the tub. Not just like this, nice and easy. Okay, so we took out everything right over here. We took out all that plastic mold and everything. Now let's just unscrew these hex screws right. And now this cover should just pop out. Just like this, really easy. And that reveals the filter right over here. This filter. This one. So you see how it is kind of dirty. So now we will just replace them. And there's also another filter beneath over here, which is this one. You see this is the filter. So these two are kind of quite dirty, as you can see. And then there's also this one right over here, which you just pluck out and just take out just like this. Move it. Boom. See, this one's also a bit dirty. Oh, that's easy too. Nice. You can see there's a little bit of water over here too. And over here too. Nice and clean. And then now let's reinstall the new ones. Okay, so I just bought a new set of HEPA filters, and let's now open it up and see how it is. Alright, so here's the filter box. Let's open it up real quick. There are the new sets of filters. So that's the bottom one. And then these are the new ones. As you can see, here is the new one and here is the old one, and you can see this one has clearly more dirt and it's a little bit wet too, a little moist. But you can see this is nice and white, while this is a little bit grayish. Let's put these in. Nice and easy. And now this side. so that is nicely fit. Now let's take the new ones and then make sure to follow the arrow. It says this side up, so put it this side up, so just like this. Nice and easy. So this side up. Yep, that just slots it in. Take the cover and then put it back in. Make sure you see the holes right over here that you're gonna screw into. Now just take the screws and one by one just screw it in. Perfect. Now it is nice and installed, and then we can put all of this back as well. So there is the wire right over here, in which you have to plug it in right here. Just like this. Nice. You can see that the light is working now. And then make sure to snap it in just like this all the way through. Okay, and then you just need to fit these screws in just like this. You also need to clip this right over here, this clip. Now the final step is for this cover with the clips. So you just need to press it down. Make sure the hole matches right over there. And then all you need to do is just press it down once you get it in there. And there you have it.